variety. More prizes.
The best music and more.
There is more in 2024. This is the #1 station all across the region. 90.7 Radyo Uragon. The most memorable songs.
From this moment, it's been a long and winding journey. Wise men say,
Played one after the other.
nights the sky was filled with clouds. There was a time I knew.
It's your favorite journey down memory lanes. Welcome to Uragon sa Hapon.
Just a little more time is all we're asking.
Ito na ang inyong paboritong DJ na talaga namang makulit at mahilig humirit.
Isa pa!
Ang babaeng saksakan ng L. Lady Ligaya. Lady Ligaya.
Oh yeah.
More certified hits.
So our love was meant to be. You looked inside my fantasies and made each one come true. Here I am.
All day, all night.
I can't remember when you weren't there.
On 90.7 Radyo Uragon.
Hey, Big Double 90.7 Oragon and Yells. It's exactly 2:24 in the afternoon. And syempre kasama na naman ngayong araw ng Monday. Happy Monday, mga ka-Oragon. Yells, today is July 29, 2024. Yells, maulan pa rin. Oo, wala pa rin pinagbago mga beshi ko. Minsan ay mapabugso-bugso talaga ang ulan mga beshi. Ayan, kaya dapat ay laging magdala ng payong, laging magdala ng raincoat. Ayan, gaya ng mga essential sa buhay natin mga beshi ko sa mga ngayong panahon ng tag-ulan. And syempre, hello din sa lahat ng mga certified listeners natin out there. Para sa inyong mga pagbati, sige na send sa aming numero na 0961-355-6393. Samahan niyo ako till 5 in the afternoon sa programang Uragon sa Hapon and Uragon Express. Ayan, hello sa lahat ng mga talaga namang nakatutok simula sign on till now. Kaya dyan lamang kayo ha. Just sit back, relax, and here's If Ever I Fall in Love Again. Keep it right here, only here on Big Double 90.7 Uragon.
Tita, pwede tabing ilusyonan ng aki mo?
Aw, nyata, kaya mo na siyang buhayon?
Ay hala, condolence po tita. Dahil kuman kaya aram nagada na pala siya.
Basta Bicolano, Uragon!
Kapag nagkakaedad na, mas importante ang proper lifestyle.
Jogging tayo pa!
Sige nak! Maliwanag ang benepisyo ng tamang pagkain at ehersisyo. Isama pa ang pag-inom ng Optin. May nutrients ng lutein, vitamin C, E at zinc. Parte na ng aking daily regimen.
Ganda talaga ng view dito pa.
Kitang-kita. Mahalagang paalala, ang Optin ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Labanan ang maagang panlalabo ng paningin sa tulong ng Optin. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan. Mabibili sa mga leading drugstores nationwide.
High blood, hypertension, alta presyon, at kung ano-ano pa. Iba't iba man ang tawag, ito ay kayang-kayang makontrol sa tulong ng trio kontra sa anumang sakit. Regular na ehersisyo, tamang nutrisyon, at say no to bisyo. Regular din na kumonsulta sa ating primary care providers para malaman ang angkop na gamutan depende sa inyong risk factors. Para iwas alta presyon, tamang nutrisyon, ehersisyo at medikasyon ang solusyon. Isang paalala mula sa inyong DOH Bicol Center for Health Development.
Isang patunay na maganda ang benepisyo sa katawan ang bigay ng Best Cafe.
Starting my morning right with Best Cafe 8-in-1 coffee with herbal mix. It is a perfect combination of 6 most popular medicinal plants clinically proven by a great number of research studies to be very effective in helping prevent and cure several diseases. No sugar is added because it is sweetened by stevia, linked to numerous benefits including lower blood sugar levels. These plants are carefully selected and mixed together in every sachet of Best Cafe. Don't settle for ordinary coffee and try this healthy coffee with herbal mix for yourself.
Best Cafe 8-in-1 coffee with herbal mix. 13 pesos lang per sachet. Now available. Best Cafe Gold 20-in-1 coffee with herbal mix. 18 pesos lang per sachet.
Dahil sa pagsisikap namin, nabigyan kami ng garden tools, pananim, skill training, tulad ng bread making, para madagdagan ang aming kaalaman. At nabigyan din kami ng trabaho, mapagkakakitaan.
Bilang member ng Women Planters, kami po ay mapalad na natutulungan sa pagpapagamot sa ospital, pambili ng gamot, pati na rin po burial assistance kung may namatayan sa pamilya.
Nakatanggap rin ng aming mga anak ng educational assistance dahil hangad ni Kong Didi Cabredo na mapagtapos ang aming mga anak sa college para magkaroon sila ng magandang trabaho at kinabukasan.
Super proud po ako dahil nabibigyan ng importansya ang mga kababaihan sa agrikultura.
Be well and worry-free, for your health will never be at stake at Tanchuling General Hospital. Tanchuling General Hospital Incorporated offers medical specialty such as cardiology, pulmonology, hematology, rheumatology, allergology, neurology, and nephrology, surgery such as general surgery and advanced procedure, obstetrics and gynecology, pathology, EENT, psychiatry. Tanchuling General Hospital also offers ancillary services such as laboratory, pharmacy, X-ray, ultrasound, all kinds of procedures, special procedures, 2D echocardiogram, electrocardiogram, 24-hour Holter monitor, CT scan for all kinds of procedures, special areas such as hemodialysis unit, hematology and oncology unit, bone marrow aspiration, both adult and pediatrics patients, biopsy, including incision biopsy, core needle biopsy, and ultrasound-guided biopsy, outpatient blood transfusion, outpatient cancer treatment, pain management, specialized interventional endoscopy such as endoscopy and colonoscopy, pediatric endoscopy, metal stents for gastrointestinal strictures or tumors, and endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography or ERCP. Common experience and paralleled expertise with complete facilities and spacious rooms. Only at Tanchuling General Hospital, located at Imperial Court Subdivision, Barangay 24, Rizal Street, Legazpi City. Reminiscing the thoughts of your special someone. It's never too late to fall in love again. Right here on Uragon sa Hapon.